Many people think BIM engineer means they create only 3D model, but that is not true. Behind this position, there are a lot of things to do. First, let's understand what is BIM. BIM means Building Information Modeling. One of the important role of a BIM engineer is also to do the clash detection. So clash detection means in the model, if a pipe is clashing with the beam, we solve in the model itself before this problem is occurring on site. So using Navisworks Manage, we solve these clashes in the model itself. A BIM engineer creates 3D model using softwares like Revit. So these model contains realistic elements like wall, and as we discussed, this wall contains data such as what is the wall thickness, what is the wall height, what is the wall material, etc. Model which is created by BIM engineers is also useful for the construction people. So for the construction people on site, this model will help them to understand the design clearly and ensures that each and every element is getting installed as per the drawings and model itself. So this will lead to quality of work on site. A BIM engineer also works with other teams such as architecture, structure and MEP and ensures that every element is properly coordinated. BIM is becoming a way of work for the construction projects. So because it is helping us to save time, it is helping us to save cost, and also it is ensuring the work is done with the quality. Now you understood BIM engineer is not just a 3D modeler. BIM engineer creates virtual construction before the same construction started physically. So if you want to get this type of updates and if you want to improve your career in BIM, stay updated with the BIM skills, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon.